you're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Today we're going to discuss about the Cockroach Janata Party. Yes, a new movement that's been started after Chief Justice of India referred to certain people who are filing petitions as cockroaches or parasites, and he exactly said these are the people who enter professions by fraudulent means. Now, that comment of the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, did not bear well with some section of the young population who've launched this movement. Let's talk more about what this party is, who's founded it, and it has a manifesto as well. So, let's talk about that as well. To begin with, this party, the Cockroach Janata Party, like you can see on our screen, says it is the voice of the lazy and unemployed people. A political party for the people of the system forgot to count. 5 demands, 0 sponsors, 1 large stubborn swamp. Let's take a look at what the manifesto is of this party. This is the official website of the Cockroach Janata Party, by the way. The first is, if CJP comes to power, which is the Cockroach Janata Party, no Chief Justice shall be granted a Rajya Sabha seat. So, clearly it's a satire on the comment that was made by the Chief Justice of India. If any legit vote is deleted, whether in the party or opposition ruled states, the Chief Election Commissioner shall be arrested under UAPA. So a satirical movement, and such pointers are there in its manifesto. It says women shall receive 50% reservation, not 33%. Without increasing the strength of parliament. Additionally, 50% of all cabinet positions shall be reserved for women. The fourth point, all media houses owned by Ambani and Adani shall have their licenses cancelled to make way for truly independent media, and attack on the media as well, and what is popularly referred to as the Godi media. Bank accounts of Godi media anchors shall be investigated is what it is saying. And finally, it says any MLA or MP who defects from one party to another shall be barred from contesting elections and from holding any public office for a period of 20 years. I want to now discuss with you viewers who the founder is. The founder is a 30-year-old Boston University graduate student, Abhijit Deepke. He founded the party after apparently being offended by the statement that was come out from the Chief Justice of India. And he said the comment came at a time when he was applying for a job and did not manage to secure one. He said the movement really kicked off after a set of comments from the Chief Justice of India. Those remarks hit a nerve, he explained, mostly because they came from the country's top legal authority. That's what we've put out on NewsX website as well. Now, why are we discussing the Cockroach Janata Party? Because there has been some news around it of late. Within a few days of it being launched on Instagram, the Cockroach Janata Party page has more Instagram followers than even the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party. On X, the account of this party or the movement has been withheld. And now there are some reports which are suggesting whether the founder had any links with ISI or not. So those kind of rumor mills are doing the rounds. Cockroach Janata Party is in news. It's making headlines because a lot of Gen Z people are now following it. It is probably something that is disturbing those in the power or not. We don't know for now. It's a satirical movement that has been launched, but one that many are resonating with. Tell us what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching this space on NewsX.